Hello! Welcome to our channel. This time we will draw a cute cat sleeping on pillow. Please follow the steps and we will learn to draw together. First, we need to create an outline. It must be very light line, so that it's easy to erase if you desire to change it. After that, you can draw now a final and visible outline. We will be playing the beautiful song, Sleeping is the Best Medicine. This song is owned by Special Day Channel.
If you have common cold or stress, it can relieve some illnesses. Helps boost our immune system. No cost but free medicine. Sleeping is the best remedy. Rejuvenates our skin and beauty. Sleeping is effective medicine. It can relax our body and brain. It maintains good mental health. And heart disease, sure it can help. Plenty of sleep sharpens our mind. This medicine is very kind. Sleeping is the best remedy. Rejuvenates our skin and beauty. Sleeping is effective medicine. It can relax our body and brain. Sleeping is the best remedy. Rejuvenates our skin and beauty. Sleeping is effective medicine. It can relax our body and brain. It can relax our body and brain.
Now the drawing is done. It looks very beautiful. To animate our drawing, let's speak the magic spell together. Draw Animesing.
If you have common
Wow, our drawing is now moving. Can you hear the snoring? It means the cat is sleeping very soundly on the pillow. Congratulations to you on another amazing drawing you made. I hope you enjoy drawing with us. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cute drawings and animation. Bye, see you soon.
Sleeping is effective medicine. It can relax our body and brain.